Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can make tags or just tag anything in Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, there are several different ways of tagging something. There are, well, two that I'll be showing you, or three rather here. One of them is adding that location to maps and denoting it either as a business or another location, which you can add, which anybody can see. You can choose addresses to set as your work or home addresses, and they'll be automatically tagged. Or you can go into your maps and create a custom map where you'll tag certain places and points well, with custom markers pretty much. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this address right over here, which is 51st East 92nd Street, or 51 East 92nd Street. Copy the address, and to make it your home address or your work address, just copy that address, go into your menu, go into your data and maps. That's going to open this screen right here. You want to go into either home or work. So for example, let's go work, and I'm going to just add the address, paste it, click save, and now that address is set as work for me. I can also remove it, which I will because I don't actually work there, and that is one method. The other method is right-clicking and choosing add a missing place or add your business, where you can enter all the details of that location, and that'll set and tag the location for everybody using maps, not only yourself. And finally, as I mentioned, if you go into your maps and create a custom map, you can add custom locations such as points to your map, and as you can see, they'll show up as blue markers on the map, and you can rename them or just name them point and a number, and that is pretty much it. But that is also going to tag those locations, but only for your own map, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.